you're out in the cold and icy weather. You must find food to keep up your energy, nourishment, and nutrition. If you become malnourished, your body will go into hypothermic reaction. The result of that is serious injury or death. Now, what we have here is a fine meal consisting of dog poo. It will provide nourishment for my body and keep me warm. Now, this is only extreme measure. I will not do this unless I have to. Delicious. Truly delicious.
Right.
I'm just gonna have a little bit more, actually. As you can see, I'm all finished up. No poop left. That was delicious.